everyone, my name is Kim and I'm from the Philippines, and thank you so much for being here to get your weekly dose of our Sunday Gospel. So, in today's Sunday Gospel, Jesus is being questioned by the Pharisees about why his disciples are not practicing the tradition of the elders, which is to cleanse themselves before their meals. Then Jesus responds to them by saying, "Well, did Isaiah prophesy about you hypocrites, as it is written, 'These people honor me with their lips, but their hearts are far from me. In vain do they worship me, teaching as doctrines human precepts. You disregard God's commandment, but cling to human tradition.'" I like what Jesus is saying because it makes people really look at themselves and the world around them. Especially in our society today, we are always faced with the rules of our society and the rules of God. Things that can be acceptable in our society today may not be acceptable and pleasing to God. It is very easy to fall under the influence of our society's norms. What we see on television, the lyrics on the songs that we listen to, and the things that we read on the internet all seem to be okay because we have become desensitized by the norms of society, when in reality they are not pleasing to God. This passage also encourages us to think about how are we living our life now. It is so easy to say how awesome our love is for God and for others, but it is usually harder for us to show this in our actions. That is why it is written here at my back. It says, "Love is a verb." Love is shown in your deeds, not just in your words, which I believe it was also Jesus' other point in this passage. If we say that we love God and proclaim our faith in Him to everyone, but do not show our trust in Him, then our words mean nothing. We need to go to Mass, receive the sacraments, to trust in God's plan for us, and practice loving Him, loving others, and most especially, loving ourselves. Then later, Jesus continues saying, "Hear me, all of you, and understand. Nothing that enters one from outside can defile that person, but the things that come out from within are what defile. From within people, from their hearts come evil thoughts, unchastity, theft, murder, adultery, greed, malice, deceit, sensuousness, envy, blasphemy, arrogance, folly. All these evils come from within, and they defile." This is another concept that we need to be reminded of every day. The thoughts that we have within us are what makes us who we are. We can put on a good front, but God can see what is in our hearts, and what is in our hearts is also reflected in our actions. We must continue to pray to God and ask Him to help fill us with His grace so that we can better live our lives in a loving and pleasing way. And always remember to love just as Jesus loves us.